In the heat of the day, I mean, there's no trees on this block, and you just have solid pavement. And you know, this, on a really hot summer's day, this is going to be sweltering heat in this kind of area.
The landscape of Jacksonville looks different depending on which street you turn on.
Yeah, so we know that areas like where we're sitting right now are probably going to be hotter than the areas that are further, you know, towards the edges of the county where there's more trees and fewer buildings.
University of North Florida Assistant Professor of Biology Adam Rosenblatt is working with Jacksonville's Chief Resilience Officer, Ann Colonese.
This officer, my main job is to make sure that Jacksonville is thinking long-term about climate change and the impact it's going to have on the city.
They're starting a study on heat, specifically urban heat.
But heat is really one of the biggest public health threats that is faced by climate change, and something that, if we don't address now, could really shape what Jacksonville looks like long-term.
They want to find out which part of the city gets the hottest, but how? With sensors inside cars. Your car specifically. They need dozens of locals to get involved. It'll be one day this summer. You drive around town, and that sensor in your car will pick up the temperature at those 3 times of the day. And all that data is going to create this study. By finding the hottest spots, they can help city leaders take action. Planting trees, changing building codes, and using different building materials to help cool the city off.
We're not talking about really far in the future effects. We're talking about within our lifetimes.
In Jacksonville, Leah Shields, First Coast News, on your side.